Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat. Hi if you're new. So, a couple days ago, me and my mom attempted one of the hardest puzzles we have ever done. And I think it's one of the world's hardest puzzles, to be honest with you guys. It was Ravensburger's Dr. Seuss Seuss Street puzzle. It was super challenging, but lucky enough for you guys, I filmed us doing it so you guys don't have to be put through the pain of doing it like me and my mom were. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this time lapse. I want to start doing more puzzle content because that's something that I'm really into. I do have some hauls and vlogs and stuff planned for you guys. We are starting to open back up from COVID-19, so hopefully I will be able to make a few travel vlogs this summer. So yeah, make sure that you guys stick around, subscribe, and like this video to stay up to date on all of my content that is coming up. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. Yeah, that was the puzzle. It took hours and hours and days to do. I actually put off making this intro and this outro for this puzzle because when we got done with this puzzle, we just wanted to put it away and not look at it any longer. But I'm finally getting to it and uploading this. There was some things about this puzzle that were really hard and some things that kind of went pretty quickly. So like this part over here went pretty quickly. Horton went pretty quickly. The cat was beyond hard. The Dr. Seuss was beyond hard. The Grinch went pretty quickly because it is a different green than this green. And the things went pretty quickly. But overall, it was just super hard. You felt like you're looking at the picture the whole entire time. You weren't necessarily doing it for fun. I think that this would be for somebody that is just ready for a challenge. And we were up for the challenge, but we like to be done with our puzzles in a few days. We don't want to work on longer than about 3 or 4 days, and this one took over a week to do, just FYI. We got this off Amazon about 2 years ago for Christmas, and I doubt they have it anymore because of the quarantine puzzle craze, but you might be able to find it somewhere. I'm not really sure if you want the challenge of it. But overall, it's a really cool puzzle. I'll insert a picture in here of how it looks when we were done with it. It was a really cool puzzle. I mean, it's a cool keepsake. This is one that we will be keeping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this puzzle time-lapse video. I'm kind of planning on doing some more puzzle time-lapses. I really enjoy doing them. And they're just easy for me to film and stuff, to put out content for you guys. I do have some vlogs planned because we are starting to open back up from being closed down with COVID and everything. I'm super excited about that. Have some awesome stuff planned for the summer. I'm really hoping that they'll happen and stuff. I think they will, but you know, 2020 has been a crazy year. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that like button to stay up to date on all of the content that I'm putting out and to support my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye! How to stand up, but I've got